Hey, thanks for checking this video out. My name is Patrick. I own a software. Actually, I'm a reseller of a software company or a software provider. It's called the NPO Authority, npoauthority.com. And I'm just going to do a review of TawkTo. So originally I was probably on LinkedIn or Facebook, and I saw these chatbot things pop up here and there, and I got interested in those chatbots and went down the rabbit hole with that. I forget all the different companies that I talked to, but I talked to a lot, and they were all kind of expensive. About $400, $200 a month, and I'm like, I really can't afford that, and I'm not sure how that's going to pay off. And there, all these tunnels and funnels of communication and how this is going to work and how you're going to make $1 million and you're going to go over to, take over the world. And, I only use chat boxes when I have a problem. I don't really use them for sales, and I use them for companies that I'm already with. I'm not totally in love with them like the rest of the world, but it seemed like it was interesting. So I pretty much was about to sign up, and I sent an email to my web guy and said, hey, I'm going to do this. And he said, why don't you do TawkTo? It's free. And I'm like, okay, let's do it. Give it a try. So I looked into TawkTo, went to their website. I'm on their website now, playing around with their stuff. And we signed up. So I'll give you an answer. Signed up. It's free. It is free. And their concept is we can be a chatbot for you for $1. I forget what it is. It's not a lot of money. It's like $1 an hour or something like that. $1 a minute, but it's $1 an hour. So you can hire chatbots. It's right there on their right on their website. Hire chat agents for $1 an hour. So I don't have a problem with that. That makes sense. I was going to kind of go that way when I started, but I realized that chatbots, unless you're like a huge company with 10,000, 30,000, members, subscribers, or whatever the term, you're not going to just be that busy. So I'll give you an idea of what it looks like in real life and how it works for me. So we're on my screen now. Currently, there are no visitors from any of my properties. I have about 14 websites, about 12 websites. So let's give you an idea of what it looks like in real time and how it plays out. So I'll go to one of my websites and show you the chat bot basically. So there it is down in the corner there. We are here. So if somebody was on my site, they would say, hello, I need a demo, right? Hello, I need a demo. Makes sense. So they hit that. Hello, I need a demo. So on my side, I hear, hey, somebody's on your website. So, and I've got an incoming message. So I click that, and it says, hello, I need a demo. And I join the chat, I would love to help, right? So off we go, and that goes back to the my website. So I'm online. My name is Patrick. That's all true. That's what I look like in a cartoon version. And I'd love to help. So what I've really found out, and this can go back and forth and back and forth, and it goes back and forth, and you go back and forth. So right now, somebody from Chicago has just jumped on. Chat ended, chat started, chat started. So this is me over here. Looks like I have a visitor, or that was an old one. No, that was just a previous chat that I had on my box. So when you have a visitor, this monitoring thing will pop up and say, hey, there's somebody on your website, right? Let me X out of here. This was somebody a few moments ago on the page, and it says this person last was here an hour ago, and they haven't had any chats with you. And I said, hey, how are you doing? And they, after a while, they left. So the truth is, this could actually be a client. It's not that every person who goes to your website is looking to buy. Some of your people are actually clients going on your website, just trying to find something out. So I can keep going back and forth in this chat session, but the point of the story is, with at least with TawkTo, is that, see, we're just going back and forth here. What I found, like how this really works, is that people don't really chat with the chat boxes. They don't really get into it that much. Maybe 1 in 100 do that. And I get about, anywhere from 6 to 14 visitors a day. Maybe more, it's hard to say. But around 6 to 15 visitors a day on my websites, right? And I'm not online all the time. It doesn't work, it works when you work it, long story short. But what I found is that, and this is kind of the interesting part, having a chat box there and actually just saying, hello, my name is Patrick, I'm from Baltimore, I'm the CEO of the company, can I help you in some way, shape, or form? That has converted into demos. So people don't chat with you. They don't want to get into it. But it gives you some sort of like authority in the marketplace that you have people that can support you. You have people that can help you. I'm coming here as a visitor and somebody's already interacting with me. Here's, the CEO of sales or something like that who was touching base with me. If you have any questions, let me know. They don't usually want to get into it because everybody believes that you're from India or something like that. But when you personalize it, say, hey, I'm from sunny Florida, Atlanta, Georgia, I'm the CEO, give yourself a title. What happens is, whatever your website is doing, it legitimizes you and you make more sales. That's what I found. I found that I'm not having conversations with people. Nobody wants to jump in a big conversation. It happens here and there, but it's not even a tenth of what I was hoping it would be. But I still got the end result, which is kind of interesting. People do feel comfortable with the fact that there's a human being here to support them. And it gives the company like a much bigger, much professional look. And it's really not that big of a deal. And it's this free thing. And you're just chatting away. Hi, I'd love to help you. I need to help you. Can you get, do you have a free, demo? And sometimes I'm not paying attention and I'll get like a, it's like, oh. But that first message is loud. It really is like, hey, there's a problem here. And then, you get so, you're like, what is that sound? And then you're like, oh, somebody's messaging me. So you have to be online. You have to log in and just have this playing in the background at all times. And every like 20 minutes or so, it'll email you or message you and say, hey, I'm about to, time out and go to sleep. So I love this tool. Get this tool. Put it on there. If you like it, you can always upgrade to another service or do something differently, but I don't really see the need. TawkTo has it down perfectly, in my opinion. This is so simple to use, and you hit the ground running. You'll like it. It will help. Hope this helps you. Talk to you soon. And if you're a nonprofit, npoauthority.com. Sucker. It's good stuff. npoauthority.com. Thanks very much. God bless.